I like your shoes.
Thank you.
Damn cool.
And we're live.
Yay! Hi there. So, I am here to talk about a lot of stuff about myself, and I want to know about you guys today. And I really, I feel bad that I had not been like active on my page, and उसका भी मैं आप लोगों के साथ reason share करूँगी. I love social media because it's amazing, but sometimes I need my time to breathe. तो मैं भाग जाती हूँ in the midst of nature to revive my soul and come back. So तब जाके मैं थोड़ा phone से दूर हो जाती हूँ. But now I'm back, and you can see I want to share this with all of you. I've been holding this. I love these, and this is my mood right now. So start pouring your questions at me right now.
Amazing. Well, firstly, welcome Monali. Welcome to the Facebook Mumbai office.
Thank you so much.
So first question is, how are you?
I am wonderful. You can see that I'm very good.
But since you've taken like a little hiatus from social media, we just thought we'll ask you first is how you've been up to, what have you been up to? So please catch us all up. What is Monali been doing lately?
Monali had been walking. I had been traveling a little bit, that I always do. But yes, I had been staying away from radiation. That's like too geeky maybe, but no, I had been staying away from radiation a little bit to revive myself and my health, and I had been listening to wonderful music, watching fantastic films. I had been having my time for some time, and yes, I will share my pictures very soon with you guys. I have pictures, I have just not posted them. So and I had been working on my stuff that I hope to release soon, and I had been waiting to talk to you guys.
Amazing. A lot of fans tuning in, everyone saying hi, hello,
hi.
you know. So just firstly, since you've been away for so long, let's just quickly start them off. Let's give them like a nice welcome message, and you're here, and just let's invite some questions. Go for it.
Yes. So my dear people, this is our festival season, you can say. Firstly to my Bengali fans, because Durga Puja is going on and it's just started. I will be missing that. So all my Kolkata people, West Bengal people, Mumbai people, Delhi people, everyone, have lots of fun and respect your women. We are actually worshipping Ma Durga. So whatever I've been reading in whatever social media, it's upsetting. So just take care of each other, respect each other, and just have lots of fun. मैं तो नहीं रहूँगी, मैं तो भाग रही हूँ फिर से 5 दिनों के लिए. I will again post pictures. I am flying off to Europe, and yeah. Now you please share what you guys are doing, and since I can't be there in Kolkata during pujas, you share your experience and whatever you guys have planned for yourself, and I will enjoy through you. And regarding the rest of the people, whatever festivals are coming, have fun.
Amazing. So firstly, happy Durga Puja to you.
Thank you.
And getting right off, there's a fan, Shilpa Biswas, and she says, hi Monali, lots of love from Kolkata. What are your Durga Puja plans?
My Durga Puja plans? Ideally, it would have been to go to Kolkata, but I'm having to fly off to Europe. But I think udhar se I will have as much sweet as I can have, like proshad. Otherwise, nothing as such. But I have left a gift for you guys. There's this song which is called Bolo Bolo Dugga Elo. Listen to that. I think it's so much fun. That's all I have for Durga Puja as of now.
Alright, that's okay.
Yeah.
Lots of questions coming in. Firstly, I think your fans are really excited to see you. Everyone's just like, oh my god, I love you.
I was
love
very
you.
excited. Yay. So nice.
Yeah, so we'll take a few fan questions, we'll take a few names.
Sure.
But you said you've been listening to some good music lately.
Yes.
So a lot of people are asking, what kind of music are you listening to? There's a question from Keshav Kumar. He's saying, who is your favorite singer currently? Tell us a little bit about the music that you've been listening to.
I listen to, in fact, I did something, my first ever international collaboration, for which also I was not in the country. जो मैं अभी नहीं बताऊंगी, वो आप लोगों को पता चल जाएगा when it's gonna get launched. But I had been listening to a lot of international artists, and I love what they're doing, and had been talking to, kind of jamming online with fantastic, phenomenal producers, and I am my favorite singer, मैं एक का तो नाम नहीं ले सकती because there are so many fantastic musicians जिनके बारे में शायद आप लोगों को commercially पता भी नहीं है, you know, but they are just phenomenal. But amongst the known people, मैं अभी हमारे देश में तो सभी अच्छे, but I will take names like I love Ed Sheeran is a very known name, so but it's a cliche name to take, but yes.
He's coming to Bombay. Are you going to the concert?
When? What? I didn't know Ed Sheeran.
Next month.
What? You are my new friend. Yeah. Ideally, I think I also am planning to catch some concert when I go this time. Ideally, मैं New Year's में जाके I actually go for concerts. But anyway, I'll come back to my favorite artists. I am loving Jason Derulo. I think he's phenomenally talented. He's a phenomenal dancer and sings amazingly well. And then there's Halsey. Listen to her. She's phenomenal. I love. There are so many people. I just can't take one name. There are so many people. I love Charlie Puth. Yes, everybody does. Yep, and on and on and on.
I think that's a good playlist. I think you should start sharing like the music that you've been listening to.
Yeah, I listen to good music, I know.
Okay, so talking about your music now, a lot of your fans are like, oh, we love, your voice, your music.
Thank you.
There was a question, what's been your favorite song till date that you've sung? Santosh wants to know.
Oh, I had been lucky to get some really, really amazing melodies, and we sometimes have a dearth of those in our industry. Sometimes there are phases. But obviously I love Momo Ke Dhage, I love Savarlu. I love this song, but ye to popular hue. There are some songs which didn't become popular, like your Meri Pyari Bindu Se Khol De Bahein. It's a very different song and it's not in my pitch, but I like that melody, I love it. And Sachin and Jigar, they're extremely talented musicians, producers and composers. Phir another I had sung for this one, Indu Sarkar, उसका title track, आवाज़ है ये आवाज़ है. I feel very lucky to get these beautiful songs and I love them.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay, so questions obviously about music. A lot of people want to know when is new music coming out, Manali. So are you teasing us today? Are you sharing some details about when is new music coming out?
Hopefully very soon. I know I had been promising my singles for quite some time, but we are just trying to do it in the right way possible, and for that it's taking a little bit of time, but we do have amazing stuff coming up next year. I have a brilliant, like in film music we have some very nice, there's a beautiful album coming up. I am excited about that. Unfortunately, मैं आपको ना गा के बता सकती हूँ, गाना चाहती हूँ लेकिन मैं नहीं कर सकती, मुझे वो लोग sue कर देंगे and then none of you can save me, not even myself. So, but I am excited for the near future. For now, I think the first thing that's going to release is my internationally collaborated song that we have sung for a beautiful cause worldwide, and first time you guys will hear me sing an English song, and I have collaborated with, can I say? I cannot say. My manager udhar se bole ki no. So I cannot.
Maybe you can give us like a very cryptic hint. Maybe your fans can crack the clue later.
Oh, they're amazing pop stars and I am thrilled to collaborate with them. That's all I can say. International ones, yes.
Alright, so maybe your fans can start like being detective and like crack the clue, guys.
एक तो मैंने दे दिया Instagram में, उससे समझ लो. There's one I had already put. It's Pixie Lot. I can say it because I've already put it on Instagram. It's okay. And Jennifer Hudson. Yes. Yeah. I'm just. That's it. That's all I can say. She's going crazy behind the camera. Yeah.
Nice. Okay, since it's Durga Puja, a lot of fans from Kolkata and probably all over the world are sending you wishes in Bengali, which I can't read out because my Bengali is not that great.
Shubho Vijay तो नहीं बोलेंगे. No, I'm so sorry. मैं Bengali क्या हो गया? Durga Puja शुभेच्छा এবং অনেক অনেক ভালোবাসা. I'm sure that's what they're saying, and same to you. অনেক ফুচকা খাও ভাই তোমরা. খুব আনন্দ করে ফুচকা খাও যেটা আমি খুব মিস করি.
So what usually, so this year you're not celebrating Durga Puja, but what are your usual Durga Puja plans usually? Like what do you do?
I always used to just roam around. I love Durga Puja is like, in our country, for you guys also who are not from Bengal, it's like a fiesta of art, culture, madness, food, and it's like the most happening time. It's just, when I was a kid, I'll share this. I'm sure many Bengalis and people who are part of Durga Puja know the thing. They will relate to me. I literally used to get butterflies in my stomach. When I was in school, my exams will end just before Durga Puja, and then the holidays will start. And just before that, while the exams were on, Mahalaya used to happen. And immediately after Mahalaya, I will get.
One second. That's okay.
Yeah.
You can go and.
Yep.
Give her this one.
Thank you.
It's live. It's live. Yes. Sorry for the technical difficulty.
ये प्रणाम वाला नहीं है इसमें.
Yeah, so now they know it's live at least.
Yeah,
Right.
see, it's not like pre-recorded or anything. ये मैं क्यों पकड़ के रखा?
And maybe to make up for this, we'll ask you to sing in the end. Maybe a little bit.
Sure, why not? I was saying that, yeah, so I used to get these butterflies in my stomach, and मैं cycle लेके घूमती रहती थी पूरा मतलब जहाँ तक घूम सकती थी. And then Durga Puja will start, and that was the time when you were like a free bird. कुछ भी करो, कोई नहीं टोक सकता, कोई नहीं रोक सकता. And I hope that you guys still can experience that, because I miss it honestly with all my friends. Half of them are all over the world scattered. And फिर भी मैं भाग के जाती हूँ कोलकाता में. और last year जैसे मैं गई थी just with my kiddos are not, I'm not a mother. I mean my sister's son. And yeah, I always try and go back to Kolkata during pujas.
Japnam Singh wants to know Rising Star 2 कब start होगा मैम?
बहुत जल्दी. अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा आपने. वो जब होगा तो हमको पता ही चलेगा. Very soon. इस बात तो पहले आ रहा है.
So my question to you is, and this is not from your fan question, so you started off on a reality show and now you're judging one. How has that transition been from being a contestant to being a judge, and are you like do you enjoy reality shows? Is that something that
you ask me why I'm laughing?
Please tell me.
Because this question has been asked like
well, maybe your fans don't know
1
this.
millionth time. No, I'm sure they know. It's obviously a very good feeling, because you start as a contestant and then you're sitting, but it's a very, very scary feeling also. It is just so difficult to, who am I to judge? So that term judge is only a very weird term. You cannot, that's
Mentor.
very, yeah, mentor, that also, how many people are eligible to do that? But anyway, I'm not trying to be fake humble, but genuinely so. But I think it's interesting. The entire transformation is very interesting, because then you had experience from that side of the table, and you have now experience from this side of the table, and both sides have a lot of pressure. It's not even funny how much. Yeah.
So when you were in Indian Idol, did you think any time that you got like some harsh critique or criticism, did you think that agar main judge banungi to I will not say this or I will not do this? Did you take these mental notes?
मेरे दिमाग में उतना रहता ही नहीं है. मैं कल ही भूल जाऊंगी कि क्या बोला किसने. इतना नेगेटिव थॉट रखना ही क्यों? जिंदगी में बहुत कुछ अच्छा है. You should actually honestly try and focus in that, and life throws a lot of stuff at you, so it's better to empty your brain with negative thoughts. But yeah, but one thing I knew that one thing I realized in my life is that लोगों को समझ में नहीं आता जब कुछ बोल देते हैं या कुछ भी, कि वो साइड से क्या problems हो सकते हैं, and what are the other factors and all that. So I try to be as considerate or understand, and not be like a harsh critic. I'm nobody to do that.
Very sweet. Okay, so considering it's the season of Durga Puja and there are a lot of fan wishes for Durga Puja, what are some of your favorite sweets? Because I know sweets is a really big thing.
Ice cream. I love chocolate ice cream.
Who eats chocolate ice cream for Durga Puja? Like,
Durga Puja नहीं, मैं अच्छा हाँ मिष्टी दोई. I'm a very weird Bengali. मुझे सब बंगाली मारेंगे. ना मैं fish खाती हूँ और ना मैं उतना हाँ. But I love Rasmalai and I love मिष्टी दोई and Nolen Guder Sandesh. Can you pronounce it? I bet you cannot pronounce it.
Okay, let's try this.
Nolen Guder Sandesh.
Nole Gude Sandesh.
The Bengali is going to kill you right now.
One of my Bengali friends taught me this one line that I can say.
See.
Ekta kore thapad marbo. Thash kare ekta thapad marbo.
हाँ, that's better. एकटा करे थप्पड़ में सबको एक एक करके थप्पड़ मारेंगे. ठास करे means ठास करके एक थप्पड़ मारेंगे. That's a very mean thing to say.
I mean, that's what she says to me.
Kidding,
So.
yeah.
Okay, so next question is from Nishant Kumar. Your movie Lakshmi was superb.
Thank you.
We would like to see you in movies again. Is it possible?
I'm sure it's possible. It's just that the right script has to come to me. And whatever had come, I didn't know what to do. So हर चीज़ का एक time होता है. I am still waiting. I will always remain an actor. So the day I get the right, the right script and the right role to play, I definitely will be. But there's no time limit for that. But pray that I get something really nice soon.
So maybe let's just put it out in the universe. Do you have like a dream role or like a certain kind of role that you would want to play in a movie?
I really don't know. I have, one thing I can say for myself, I've grown as a person a lot, and my choices and my taste has changed over the period and really fast. So there are movies that I watch and I feel that, oh my goodness, I wish. But I can't just take one name. But when I watch a film, I don't look at it ke, kash main wo role karti. Because I always will stick to that film which is, you know, I'm enjoying that. And when I enjoy it, I'm enjoying the actor's performance also. But I'm a movie buff and I want to eventually get into making of films. And I am a complete film person. So I cannot say ke kaun sa role kya hai. I just want to be part of good films, however it is.
Okay, so a very interesting question. Kishan Goli says that, hello ma'am, I'm one of your huge followers, big fan. What have been one of your biggest moments in your life? If you can remember maybe one.
I remember, there actually had been life-changing moments, but I will say something related to my career because, or actually not career, I won't say like that. So my mother, तो मैंने बहुत बार ये बोला है कि मैं awards को उतना seriously नहीं लेती हूँ for my sake. They are all very prestigious and we're very lucky and honored to get them, but I just don't take it seriously in my head because it then, I just don't, it should always be a beginning of my career, so I don't take awards seriously. But जिस दिन मुझे national award तो दूर की बात है कि मुझे समझ में आया कि मुझे national award मिलेगा, पता भी नहीं कि nomination भी नहीं होता है तो कुछ को पता ही नहीं. I remember I landed back in Mumbai, my flight landed and I just switched on my phone and there were like calls and some unknown numbers. And then one of my friends, writers, he called and he said, congratulations. I said, for what? मेरी शादी fix हो गई, मुझे भी नहीं पता. And he's like, what? You don't know? I said, नहीं. Then I said that you got national award. I said, what? And then I was like, I was excited, but I didn't realize the gravity of the situation. Then I called Ma and I said, Ma, I got national award. And my mother has been the lady who had stayed in Mumbai and struggled along with me. And she stayed away from my dad. So she was quiet and then she just was crying and I could hear her cry. And that was a very phenomenal moment for me is because it was kind of full circle for her. And that satisfaction that she got, whether it was from a national award thing, I don't know, but that was just a brilliant feeling. I don't know, मैं बोलने में समझ में नहीं आता, but उस time पे that moment was huge for me.
Wait, can everyone just clap for this, please?
No, and the funniest part is in the flight, I was like, and then when I hung up, and I said, oh, I got national award, and in the cabin, and there were like people who were waiting behind to leave. So yeah, it was a funny but a very nice moment of my life.
Jasmeet Singh wants to know who has been your inspiration, and let's say for singing and acting, who are the people who've inspired you?
My dad, definitely. He's a multi-talented person. My sister, I'm not biased, but they people don't know them because my dad, yeah, they know Bengal, but otherwise people don't know them like that worldwide. But they are insanely talented, and I owe it to them. My sister, mom, obviously, but my dad is an incredibly talented person, and I always wanted to become a performer like him. And he's just not jack of all trades, like master of so many. And so my sister, and my Guruji, Pandit Jagdish Prasad ji. Yeah, I look up to their talim and everything. Otherwise, there are these new artists. I follow them a lot. Yeah.
A lot of requests coming in. I think if you don't sing at the end of this live session, there are going to be a lot of disappointed fans. And for Savarlu, for a couple of your other songs, Moh Moh Ke Dhage. But I have an interesting thing before we can ask you to sing.
Sure.
How many languages can you speak in?
I'm learning German.
Okay.
This is a tongue twister.
Okay.
Yeah, and German, Hindi. German में क्या बोल रहे हैं? I'm learning. Maybe in next couple of years I will. Hindi, English, Bengali.
Okay, and let me rephrase this. How many other language ke songs do you know?
Oh, I have sung quite a few, but याद नहीं है. गा सकती हूँ. If you tell me, I
So
will.
if I put you on a quiz where I ask you to start in one language and then within 10 seconds change the language, will you be able to switch? Okay, tell me the 4 languages that you know and then let's play this game.
English, Hindi, Bengali.
Telugu?
नहीं पापा.
Gujarati?
केम छो मजा मत छो. That's all.
Punjabi? Little bit?
पाजी बोलिए.
She knows Punjabi.
No.
You know a song in Punjabi though?
हाँ. Of course I know, but yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so okay. We will not put you to this test. What we'll ask
I'll
you to
fail
do-
miserably. You can try and have fun because I'll be horrible at it.
Okay, so whatever languages can you? So before we can ask you to sing one of your songs, just let's give your fans a teaser of a song in any other languages, anyone that you want to pick.
Because it's Durga Puja, I'm gonna sing this one. I'm kind of liking this new song that is out, and
Please.
people are loving it and showering a lot of love on it. Bolo bolo duggailo, 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 bolo bolo duggailo, duggailo, duggailo. রাত ভর তোর জোর কত উৎসবে মাখা টই টই হইচই সব ঠিক করে রাখা মানে কিবার গাতা কম দারা 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 আড্ডায় ভরপুর দারা 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 বলো বলো দুগ্গাইলো 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 বলো বলো দুগ্গাইলো দুগ্গাইলো দুগ্গাইলো.
Amazing.
Thank you.
I think all your fans are really excited. They've been like asking, love you, I love you.
I love you too.
Okay, so well, this has been great. Thank you so much, Monali, for
Thank you,
coming to
pleasure.
the Facebook office and
Pleasure.
spending like a little bit of time with us. And happy Durga Puja once again.
Thank you so
Now,
much.
before we can let you go, you have to give all your fans one message for the festive season and
Sure.
whatever you want
I've
them
already
to
given
know.
that, but I'll repeat.
Once again, for people who are just
Sure,
tuning in.
sure.
And we have to close on a note where you have to sing one of your famous songs. It could be anything or it could be a mashup. So however you want to do it.
Okay.
Yes,
Um,
so let's start with that.
Before that, please, my Facebook page was not working, so I couldn't say. Please, if you guys are anywhere around Kolkata, go visit our store. It's my first ever. Yeah, this is what I would want to share. It's my sister and my first ever clothing brand. It's called Bandhobi, and you will find amazing stuff and very classy stuff over there. Just go and see. Festive season तो चालू हो गया, जाके खरीदिए, अभी देख तो आइए. And now the message for my lovely viewers. I exist because of you guys. I just want to say that please have fun. Don't forget that living life is not just working and going crazy and taking stress in life. So just take out time, relax, have fun, experience the wonderful world and planet Earth that we have been given by whoever Almighty. And just be safe and really respect each other. That's very important. So that's my message. Have fun.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
And now it's time for the music.
Yes.
Yes.
कौन सा?
So the two major requests that we're getting is for Moh Moh Ke Dhage and Sawalu. So maybe like a little mashup of both. I think that would be very
It's
interesting.
mashup तो
Maybe
गाने
we
में
start with
इसमें
one and then just like segue into the other.
Okay.
And 3, 2, 1, take it away.
तू होगा जरा पागल, तूने मुझको है चुना. तू होगा जरा पागल, तूने मुझको है चुना. कैसे तूने अन कहा सब सुना. तू होगा जरा पागल, तूने मुझको है चुना. मैशअप तो नहीं हो सकता, but I'll sing the other. हवा के झोंके आज मौसमों से रूठ गए, गुलों की शोखियाँ जो भंवरे आके लूट गए. बदल रही है आज जिंदगी की चाल, जरा ऐसे बहाने क्यों ना दिल का हाल जरा सवार लूं, सवार लूं, सवार लूं, है सवार लूं. Thank you.
Amazing. Come on guys, you can clap.
Yeah, boring people.
Amazing.
Thank
Thank you so
you.
much. Thanks a lot, and we hope to see you live more often.
Yes.
And yes, please let your fans know that you'll
I'm
be
gonna
more
come
active.
live very often now. I
Awesome.
promise.
Bye bye.
Bye.